On today's video, we're making Matty Matheson's 1 minute steak. Is it Matheson? Matheson. Okay, I'll do it again, okay? Ready? On today's video, we're making Matty Matheson's 1 minute steak and onions with A1 instead of HP. So let's jump right in. All right, now I gotta be honest with you. I've never cooked a steak like this. This looks really, really easy. Matty, my man Matty over there, he seasoned with salt and pepper. I got salt, and I don't have pepper, but I do have our SPG. You use what you want to use though. You don't have to use this. If you got something at home, knock yourself right out. And before you start in the comments about A1, I'm just making Matty's steak. And let's be honest, we all love A1. And if you don't, if you're one of them crazies that love Heinz 57, if you're one of those crazies that love Heinz 57, well, I can't help you. I just can't help you. All right, so we got some canola oil, and I better turn this thing on. Oh man, I gotta get my old man glasses out. That's okay. Oh, it's 1,000 degrees. We're not gonna do 1,000. What do you say, 600? Do 600. We'll do 600. Man, this. Oh my gosh, dude, that thing's already warm. That's that induction stuff. But let's get this steak seasoned up. Now, Matty says this is a 1 minute steak. I don't know if that's the name of the recipe or it actually takes 1 minute. But here we go. Little oil. A lot of oil in the pan. Now, Matty says, you know, hey, just a shallow fry. Matty, I got you, bro. Me and you, I believe in you, Matty. I believe in you. And I know that this steak's gonna be good. I hope. All right, little SPG. Woo, yeah. This crust gonna be stupid, dude. I think our brother Matty would like this. I'm gonna go a little heavy. I like some seasoning. I ain't afraid. I ain't scared. What we used to eat back in the day. Still good though. Still good. Just gotta know how to. Let me test that. Nope, not yet. Top sirloin. Round the eye. No. Top sirloin, top sirloin. We'll just go with top sirloin. Let me look at the package. Beef top sirloin steak, boneless large pack. Top sirloin. I don't know why I was thinking eye round though. I don't know why. Because that's the stuff that we used to eat eye round. It wasn't good. I mean, it was good, but it just wasn't like, you know, top sirloin rich. I guess it'd be like eye round, top sirloin, ribeye, New York. By New York. I do like New York. I don't like a lot of fat. Then ribeye, and then what's the best one for you?
Probably porterhouse.
Porterhouse? Porterhouses are fat, man.
Oh.
Porterhouses are fat. If you like porterhouse, click on this video right here. Check that one out. And hey, and just so you know, don't go in the comments. Everybody's downstairs in the comments right there, just gut punching OD. Ooh.
Been years.
Years.
You wouldn't believe the therapy.
That was the first video that took off. Funny story, I was actually in the mountains in Colorado. I came down and my phone was just going nuts. And it was everybody in there just kicking me right between the crotch.
Over there?
I don't know, man. I need some, like...
If only we had a thermometer.
I know.
That would give us the temperature instantly.
Do we have one?
I believe we do. It's just downstairs.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna set my steak timer.
Oh.
And I'll go get it. I'll be right back.
Don't forget the beer.
We're going Ricky Bobby old school on you boys. The thermometer's not here though.
Okay, it's in the back.
All right, let's go.
Here. You're fast.
It's not in here.
Bet you somebody used it.
I'm gonna beat Chuck. Where's the thermopin?
Oh, come on.
Yeah. He pulled it out of his pocket. I saw him.
Yeah. It's in his car. It's in the glove box.
Dude, this.
I smell it. We're ready now.
Come on, Matty. Don't let me down, bro. Alright, it's go time. Put my timer up. Here we go. You ready?
Ready.
Matty Matheson's 1 minute steak. Don't let me down, brother Matty. I'm counting on you. Here we go. You ready?
I'm ready.
You better get close up on this.
I hear it popping.
Pop the B-roll right now. Turned it up to 800. That sizzle looks a little weak for me.
I'm scared.
Oh, what's that? You want a drink too? That's it. That's all you get, bro.
Do the steaks always talk to you?
You gotta listen to them, man. You gotta do this. This steak is rare. I can tell by the feel.
The feel? Is the color not helping you at all?
Yeah. No, I go by feel. Because this is what real men do. That's a minute. Let's see. No.
No?
No.
Show me. Show the camera.
To be fair, I don't know that we had it hot enough.
Okay, yeah, I don't like that. That's weak.
To be fair, Matty's probably shaking his head right now going, Cosmo, are you kidding me? You pulled a rookie mistake and turned your freaking cast iron to 600? And I'll be like, Matty, don't hit me again, bro. I'm just trying to make you proud. All right, so while this is cooking, we're gonna get our onion ready. I'm gonna cut this over the trash can. All right, so Matty likes his thick. See if I can do this without going to the hospital.
Get your other knife over there.
Oh yeah. Come on, sucker. That was right at 3 minutes.
They've been calling.
Hey, that's okay, man. This is the first time. We've never tried this before. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is taking longer than what I thought.
Where are we at now?
Not even close, Bill. We're at the corner of O. You thought you knew what you were doing, and the crossroad is you ain't even close, brother. That's okay. I trust Matty.
We should probably start apologizing to Matty
For butchering his recipe. Matty, I'm sorry for destroying your recipe. I'll do better next time, I promise. I'll do better. Don't hit me again, Matty. So it hit 115, so you'd have thought I'd have been ready for this, but I'm not. Just a horrible cook. How much do we put in? 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons. I got you, Matty. Boom! 2 tablespoons, right there. Just handle around. Get this butter melt. Come on, butter. Come on, butter. We got stuff to do. Woo! It's got to be hotter. Come on, get hotter. Matty's gonna kill me. All right, we got to pull it. I think we went too far. I think we killed it. Here we go. Ready? I'm gonna make a huge freaking mess. We're gonna tint it. Sorry, Matty. Don't hit me. All right, get the onions. A little onion. You see this? You see what I'm cleaning my hands on? available in our storefront. Oh, did you show everybody the new merch? New hats?
New hats.
Yeah, we just had a whole merch drop. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. I got deglaze, man. These onions are gonna cover up the fact that I did a horrible sear on that steak. I'm embarrassed right now. Yeah, this crust one is stupid, dude. This segment is brought to you by A1. A1! Yeah, your mama likes it. Hey, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget, hey, we always do videos like this and we do giveaways. Click the first link down in the description and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. You want to bite? This is actually really good. This is a really good steak. I would eat this at home. Yeah. The only thing I would probably do to it is throw some mushrooms in the onions. Other than that, this is phenomenal. Thank you, Matty Matheson. You are the man.